Hello guys, in this video I want to teach you guys how to share sponsor posts and make a lot of money from it. So whenever you want to share a sponsor post, just log into your account, or you can click my account so that everything will refresh, so that you still be logged into your account. Then you start looking for a way to share your sponsor post. Now it's an easy task to share your sponsor post. It's not a big deal. You just learn this thing step by step and you know everything you have to know. So scroll up and keep scrolling up. When you see, after seeing your dashboard, you see your sponsor post, click on that sponsor post. Now when you click on sponsor post, you wait for it to load. When sponsor post actually loads, you see list of dates. As you keep scrolling down, you see list of dates. Nobody yourself, I will show you. You see list of dates like from September, October, November, December, all this stuff. So that day that you clicked on this sponsor post, that date that you click, don't click on any other date, because you not earn from that date. It's only that date, actually that date that you click, that you earn from. So as this one loads, you see what I mean here now. So and meanwhile, you have to check my account. My account is 5,482. So have that one in your mind. Is 5,482. That's my last earning. Don't mind my referral earning. That one is when you refer somebody. So I haven't been that active this month, so I've got a little referral earning. So let's look at my last earning, 5,482. Now let me go and share my sponsor post and make money from it. Today is October 9th. Today, the day I'm making this video, is October 9th. So when I click on October 9th, I wait for it to load. And when it actually loads, you see how to make your money. You see, just a simple thing, just 3 things you do and you make your money, and everything is that over. Just copy it, paste it on Facebook, click here to earn, and you have made your money. So now when it actually loads, there are some mistakes that people used to do. They forget to click here to earn. Now I actually advise people, first of all, move downwards, keep scrolling up. You see where the roads click here to earn. You actually see it here. You see it where the roads click here to earn. So first of all, that's the place you need to click first. So when you see click here to earn, what you need to do now is you click on that place, and automatically it will reload, and you see that thing that you saw before. You see it now. Once you have clicked here to earn, you have made your money. But now you have to copy this stuff, because you need to post it. Now if you are using Facebook, you want to post it on Facebook, you see where they wrote Facebook test, you copy this one. Do you understand? Yes, you copy this thing now. So while if you want to use your Twitter, you are using it too, you copy this, as you copy this thing here. So don't make the mistake of that. No, they want to copy and they want not to copy. So once you have done that, for me, I copy this. I want to post on Facebook. I copy it. Now I download this image. I download the image. Now automatically the image you download. Now once you have done this, you have settled them here. Now to check if you have really gotten your money, now let's go back to my account. And when my account actually see that my money must have increased, so let's wait on it so that it can load. Oh my gosh, 6,482. Gosh, these people just gave me 1,000 naira. Oh, and you are so pretty, and then you ha. God, can you see it, guys? That NNU is really helping people. Can't you see? 5,480 to 6,480. This is marvelous. So I don't know why you are still missing this opportunity. Just join NNU today and start making a lot of money with it. I just guess that this is the point, because since last week they have not been that active, so they compensated us with 1,000 naira each day. Join NNU now, that is sweet or never. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for everything. Please, 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 as you are watching this video and it's helpful to you, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.